Meeting now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Let's start. Okay. Try to speak between 2 to 3 minutes. This will be enough for me. I'll give you a topic. You can take 1 minute to think, and then we can start. We'll go in the same sequence where we have students. And whoever finishes speaking can leave the meeting and prepare themselves for another thing. Is it okay? First in the line is Manat. Manat, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Manat, we'll give you just 1 minute to think, and then you can start speaking. Okay? Should I give you the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Talk about poverty in India. Start. You can think for 1 minute. Poverty in India. Start, Peter.
Just a second.
Yes, Peter. Speak, Manat. Poverty in India. It's not a complicating topic. And why is your camera not on, dear? Please switch on your camera first of all. Hurry up, Manat. We don't have that much time. Switch on your camera and start speaking. Not ready, it seems.
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Please speak.
Poverty in India is a very important topic, and Mostly.
Choose the topic. Manat, focus on your topic. Don't describe the topic. Speak on the topic.
And mostly people in India are below are below the poverty line. Um, below the poverty line. India is a developing nation. India is a developing nation, and India is a developing nation, and
Manat,
it
India
has
is
a
not
very
nation
high
now.
population. What, ma'am?
As per 2020 GDP values, we are not developing now. We are already developed. We have been shifted into developed countries in 2020. We are no more developing countries.
Ma'am, India has a very high population, which is one of the reasons why mostly people are below the poverty line in India till date. And
Okay, fine, Manat. We are done with your time. Good, well done. You can leave the class, no issues, and prepare yourself for other subjects.
Meher is also there.
Nee, beta, I'll go according to the sequence that I have over there. You must have joined with different names or same names. Abhinav. Abhinav?
I'll ask her to join her.
Yes, beta, better to join with her names. There is no confusion. Yes, Abhinav, are you there? Abhinav Pandey, switch on the camera immediately. Chalo, he is not there. Adib,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Adib, switch on the camera, beta. Adib, 12C now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, do you think India is changing? Yes or no, and why? Think for 1 minute and then speak. Yes, beta, Adib, start.
1 minute.
Adib, hurry up, please.
Yes, ma'am. India is changing from the last 5 to 6 years. India is change very much. Like many new rules are comes in India, and new laws are made by the government of India. And the Indian government are focusing for developing the country. For that, government makes a new laws like a population control law and many other, because the population is increasing rapidly, and the resources are not fulfilled. So
So, Adib, you think India is changing for better?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Adib. You can leave better. You've spoken well. Good, Adib. You are in
Thank you,
seat.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. You can leave. Prepare yourself for other subjects. Bye. Let's move further after Adib. It is Akash. Akash, which section? Akash Yadav, 12th B. Akash Yadav, 12th B, are you there? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Akash is there. Akash Yadav, if you're there, please on kariye beta camera. Akash Yadav, 12th B. Yes, Akash, you've joined us. Just now you gave your bio viva also. Okay, how useful are smartphones? Think for 1 minute and speak. How useful are smartphones?
Smartphones are okay.
Then we are giving you 1 minute to think. You can plan your points and then speak for 2 to 3 minutes. By the time I'm giving the topics to other students also. Next in row. Akshat, you are there? Akshat, not there. Akshita?
Yes.
Akshita, you are
I mean, just messaged in the
fine. Akshita, you are there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you time. By the time he speaks, you be ready with the next topic. Your topic is corruption in India. Akash, start now. And when one to you to think
Smartphones are
cameras, you cannot think with cameras off. Yes, Akash, start.
smartphones are really useful because
Yes. Speak.
in this ma'am, like ma'am, ma'am, we can take an example. Ma'am, like ma'am, in Corona also we are able to uh, take classes from smartphones. It is, but ma'am, smartphones are not smartphone are really useful for communication also. And if we are having any doubt uh, in study, then also we can use our smartphone, and it is a good way of connecting with others.
Good, Akash. Good. Well spoken. You can leave, Richard. No issues. Akshita, you're ready?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Beta, you've got 2 minutes already. Switch on your camera, please. And Altamash, please be ready. Yes, Akshita will speak now. Yes, Akshita, speak.
Um, corruption in India is very bad as
Altamash, you're there? Altamash, are you there? Be ready, please. Yes, Akshita, bolo beta, speak.
corruption is all around India. Many people make bad use of it, and
Yes, try.
um,
Altamash, please leave the meeting and join again if your voice is not coming. All those students who are facing problem, leave and try to join again. That is the only way out. Vida, we've given you enough time, Akshita. Let's move further now. Okay, fine, Akshita, you want to speak something? Or you're done?
Corruption is in the government and
Hmm.
yeah, that's I'm done.
Charlie, never mind. Fine. It's okay, you can leave better. Ananya? Ananya Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, dear. We'll give you 1 minute to plan. What is the role of media in Indian society? Role of media in Indian society. You can take a minute and then speak.
Ma'am, please allow Abhinav.
After he is in the waiting room. Only Utkarsh is there, beta. I can see only Utkarsh here.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, you are audible, beta. Ananya,
Ma'am,
speak, beta.
actually, I thought in my that phone the technical glitch was there. I have joined with another phone.
Whenever
That's
there's a
why.
problem, join again. Ananya, speak. We'll come back to you again. Okay, Akshat, we'll come back to you, Altamash. Yes, Ananya, speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, media in India plays a very important, vital role in the society, and it it creates an impact on the society. Like whatever they show, it will have a great impact on the society. And plus, ma'am, uh,
Try, beta. Try.
ma'am, ma'am, whatever they show on media, it really helps to, ma'am, it plays an important role to create the image of the government or anything they show. And
Good.
ma'am, they also help to raise awareness among people.
Fine, Ananya. Your time is over now. Very good. Well spoken. Fine, Bache. You can leave the meeting. Altamash, you are there?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
God
ma'am.
bless. God bless. Altamash, switch on the camera. हाँ बेटा. Speak. Digital India. Altamash, Digital India. Think for 1 minute and then speak. Digital India. Yes, Altamash, start better.
The concept of digital India was bring by PM Narendra Modi, and by this, India get developed in a quick process.
Very good, very good. Try.
By the help of Digital India government, we are able to know the situations in all over the India.
Very nice. Chalo, very good. Well done, Altamash. You spoke well, you tried well. That's good. You can leave the meeting and plan yourself for the next 5 hours. Akshat, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, switch on the camera. Akshat Gupta, 12C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make in India. Your topic is Make in India. Take 1 minute. I hope you know about it. Are you aware of this?
Yes, ma'am.
You're okay with the topic now? If you're not aware, you let me know. Plan for 1 minute and then you speak. Yes, Akshat. Let's start. Make in India.
Yes, ma'am. As we know that Make in India was started by our PM Narendra Modi. Modi ji, under this campaign, Make in India campaign, many of the things are are developed and made in India. Many of big factories are set up in India for the production. Like we can take the example of Ola, which is manufacturing electric scooters, so which are also made in India. Many mobile phone companies are set up for this purpose, so that India can also develop.
Very good, Akshat. Good, good. You've spoken almost for 2 minutes. Excellent. Well done. You can leave the meeting. Spoke well, bache.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, let's move on to Abhinav Pandey. Is he there now? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Abhinav Pandey. Aye, come on the screen. Abhinav, switch on the camera, dear. Hurry up, dear. Okay. Your topic is online education. Is it useful? I'm giving you 1 minute to plan. Do you think online classes, online education is useful? Yes or no? Please give your viewpoint. Yes, beta Abhinav, please start.
I don't think so that the online classes are very good, as that many of the students are not taking the lectures or the classes properly, and they are engaged in other activities. And it also did not create any interface between the teachers and the students. And the students and the teachers cannot also check whether the student is learning or taking the classes seriously, and offline classes are more far better than the online classes.
Good, Abhinav. Another 30 seconds.
Online classes cannot create an environment which is helpful for the students that is there in the offline classes, and that is why the online classes are not much preferred over offline classes.
Okay. Very sure you people don't prefer online classes. Fine. Well spoken. Very good. Abhinav, you can also leave. Anshika Singh. Good, Abhinav. You can leave it. Anshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anshika. It's your turn now. You think India has achieved much in Olympics this year? Yes or no? Please justify your statement. Think for a minute. You think it's a big achievement that we have
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? So you can think for a minute and then speak, Anshika. Yes, Anshika, start better.
Yes, ma'am. It was a great achievement that India performed very well in Olympics this time. As we all know that Neeraj Chopra won gold medal, and it was the second time that India won a gold medal after Abhinav Bindra in shooting. Neeraj Chopra won the medal in javelin throw, and uh, India secured other medals also, like a bronze medal and silver medals. There were total 7 medals secured by India in Olympics, and it was a very great achievement. And we feel proud when our country's flag is on topmost position and our national anthem is played. And it was a very proud moment. And in fact, all those athletes and sportsmen are provided and better reputation, and their career is also blooming, and they are coming into the knowledge of the people that Olympics has career, and not Olympics, sports has career, and one can prove himself or herself in the field of sports too. And it was a very great achievement. That's it.
Yes, Anshika, well done, very good. You can leave, beta, no issues. Abhinav, you too can leave, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Those who can leave and prepare themselves for the next subject. Yes, we'll move on to the next one. Anshul is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's. Anshul, beta. Your
Yes, ma'am.
topic, reading habits.
Ma'am, I was unable to hear the topic. Please repeat.
Reading habit. What is your opinion? Good or bad? You think the youth is reading these days or not? What are your suggestions? Anything that you can speak on reading habit? For a minute.
Okay. May I start?
Yes, Beta, please start.
In my eyes, reading is a good habit, despite being uh, criticized by people sometimes. As these days, people think reading books, reading newspaper is outdated, but it is not the case. Reading provides us a vast reading habits provide us with vast knowledge about things. If we are interested in books, there are several kind of books like literature and other literature, encyclopedias and other kinds. Then there comes newspapers, magazines, that helps us increasing in our general knowledge.
Good. Wind up, Beta. Another 30 seconds, please wind up.
I think reading is a really good habit uh, that helps people to pass their leisure time, and also while by reading they can increase their knowledge while passing their time.
Very good. Well spoken, Anshul, and you planned it quickly also. Good, Beta. Well done. You can leave the meeting. No issues. Bye, Beta. God bless.
Thank you.
Purvi is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, yes, Beta. Apurvi, I'll give you 1 minute. Your topic is my dream job. My dream job. Think for a minute and then start. Yes, Apurvi, start, Beta.
My dream job is to become an income tax officer. For this, I need to pass SSC exam. In that, I have to opt income tax officer, and in that, I have to give various exams, and I have to appear for the appear for the
Yes, Apurvi, what happened? Continue.
there are basically 3 papers that I have to give, and the last is
Yes.
I want to become an income tax officer because I want to remove the corruption from a country, um, and remove poverty from a country, because rich are being richer and poor are being poorer. So because of which I want to become an income tax officer, and this is my dream job.
Fine. Fine, Apurvi. Very good. Well spoken. You can leave the meeting, but you plan for your next 5 hours. Good. We have Ariba. God bless. Ariba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Peter. You're there. Okay, fine. Ariba, your topic is cashless India. Are you able to understand the topic or should I change it?
I know.
You know about it? Okay. Think for a minute and then we'll start. Yes, beta, start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cashless India, digital money, and ma'am, our Prime Minister has started this promotion of cashless India, through which we can pay our bills uh, using digital platforms. It is connected to our bank accounts, which we can use to transfer money. And digital money is very easy, and we can use QR code to scan and then pay the money. It is now available in nearly all the shops, and it is promoted by advertisement during high viewer tournaments like IPL, so that masses can know about it. And it saves times, it saves everybody's time, and it makes precise payment possible, and it has made transaction even easier. And during corona times, RBI governor, he promoted everyone to use digital money and go cashless, so that because it promotes non-touching of notes and currency, so it will break the chain of contamination. And we have several applications like Paytm and and other such apps to
Very
do
well.
this.
Excellent. Very well spoken and to the point. Well done, beta. Very good. You can leave, Bache. Ariba can leave. No issues. Well done. Arohi. Arohi, should we start?
Yes.
Okay. Your topic is internet usage. How safe? Think for a minute. How safe in the present time is it to use internet? And what should we do so that the usage is safe?
Ma'am, once can you repeat the topic?
Are we ready, Arohi?
Ma'am, please repeat the topic once more.
Internet, how safe it is these days? Is it safe enough to use internet, or there are some problems related to privacy? All those things. Anything that you can speak about internet. If I say it in simple words, advantages and disadvantages of internet. Start, beta. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if I talk about the advantages of internet, it is very easy. Ma'am, we can find any information easily on the internet. We can use it as for entertainment and for online shopping and booking the tickets by sitting at home. But if I talk about the disadvantages, we can say spend our whole day on internet. We don't spend time with our family, friends, but instead in a world of internet. When children get addicted to internet and don't focus on their studies, and if we talk about privacy, then privacy gets revealed. You might get blackmailed and cyberbullied, and other people can create viruses that harm your valuable files or documents. And our eyesight gets bad if we use more computer or laptops or phones. And people lose interest about the literature because of